Respected students, Assalamu ورحمةاللہ وبرکاتہ. Today my salute to be very fun and my topic is about respect of teacher. Ustaad ka Muqaam. Teachers are the guiding lights of our lives. They do not only give us knowledge from books but also teach us values, discipline and the difference between right and wrong. Respecting teachers means listening to them, following their advice and being thankful for their hard work. They spend their time to make us a better person. When we respect our teacher, we also respect the education itself. In our culture, teachers are often compared to parents because they care for us and show us the right path. A simple thank you, good morning, and obey them are small ways to show respect. Without teachers, there would be no doctor, engineer, scientist, and leaders. Every profession is built on the foundation laid by teachers. Therefore, it is our duty to honor and respect them all. Teachers are called the second parents. Just we can never repay our love for parents